In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to perform hard reset on your Samsung phone. The first method is a forced reboot, which is useful when the phone screen is not working. To do this, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until the screen turns off, and then continue holding them until the Samsung logo appears. At that point, you can release the buttons and the phone will reboot. The second method demonstrated is a factory reset, which completely wipes the phone's data. Start by turning off the phone by holding the power button and selecting power off. If the screen is not working, you can power it off using the same method as the first reboot. Once the phone is off, turn it back on while simultaneously holding down the volume down button and the power button. Keep holding until the Android recovery screen appears. To navigate through the menu, use the volume buttons to scroll. Scroll down to wipe data or factory reset and select it by pressing the power button. After confirming the selection, the phone will begin the factory reset process, erasing all data. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.